You searched how to buy shares of iQIYI Inc. iQIYI is a Chinese video streaming and entertainment company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker iQUS. And this overview is purely educational, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker iQUS to find iQYI. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to open the stock page. On the stock page, check basic company information, the price chart, and trading details to confirm it is the correct iQIYI listing. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker iQUS before proceeding. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. Find the example link to eToro in the description below if you want to follow the same demonstration.